In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini free, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Following that, click on one of your apps under one of those categories. I will go with Calendar from Not Allowed one. Then apply the best option for you and go back. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to pick a first one, so when I tap and go back, icons that calendar just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. If you want to, you can also select any feature just to access an app that you wish to manage. So for example, I will go into microphone to manage Chrome. Now instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!